Good evening. Hey, I think I've almost got this finished. It's got some bugs that I'm not sure how to fix, but I've got my um, Acme project management folder almost complete because it doesn't work quite right. Anyway, so this is my Acme folder, and we don't want to do that. Product, oh, I didn't. So if we go to here, this takes me to my new product page. And if we go there to the cat app page, there's my cat page. This is my uh, HTML saying it does fine, that it did fine. I had some real problems when I went to do the new product page. I had three things in my index, and I commented one of them out because I thought two were the same, and it took me a little while to kind of process that through, that might be where my problem was, because no matter what I did, I kept coming up with a product page. Um, and so I finally figured that out tonight, and it was what I thought it was, and I was able to undo it. Now my only other problem is I've had a difficulty trying to get the image to work right. I'm not quite sure how to make that work. And I'm having problems with, I know I need to do something with the category, and I'm not quite sure how to make that one work, and I am not sure why, but when I go to put a category in or a product in, it's not going. But I've got this far. I'm really impressed. I was really proud of myself. I was able to figure out what my one big error was by myself. Andrew helped me work on part of it that I was really struggling with and stuck on. And then I had another piece that I was having problems with, the number 7, or I think it was number 7 on the activities, and or the last activity, I was having a problem with it, and one of the kids in the uh, tutoring center helped me with it. So I'm learning, getting better. I learned a lot this weekend. I finally caught a concept that I hadn't been able to catch, that Andrew said was really super important. So I did do that. My poor little ducky is just not a very smart ducky, and I talked to him and talked to him and talked to him, and he doesn't know how to help me. So unfortunately, he hasn't been a ton of help. Um, anyway, I actually spending the day with my husband today helped me kind of reboot my brain and figure out what I had done wrong to continue and fix this. So I hurried and fixed it tonight before I went to bed. So I will see if Andrew can meet with me either Monday or Tuesday, and we'll fix the rest of this, or he can point me in the right direction so I can fix the rest of this, because I just have no clue where to go from here. So anyway, thank you very much and have a good day.